Hi everyone, this is Blake here from Eibach, and this is our weekly recap. I'm the graphic designer here at Eibach. I've been here for about 3 years, and I design everything from our digital and print ads to our apparel. In this recap, we talk about R&D on the Bronco with the Haas 3.0 package, Cadillac CTS-V, and GMC Yukon. We'll also go over the product release for the TLX Type S and A-Spec in the Long Beach Grand Prix. We started the week by testing our Pro Lift kit on Haas 3.0 equipped Broncos. This package comes from factory with Fox shocks that have internal bypass zones, so our goal was to create a kit that would increase ground clearance and performance while operating within that bypass zone. We'll be making a revision from our test sample for more fine-tuning. Aside from the Bronco, we have a 2016 Cadillac CTS-V in for a Pro kit, sway bars, and wheel spacers test fit. Lastly, we have a GMC Yukon in for test fit. We've had a Suburban in the past, but we could never be too sure, so we went ahead and tested to make sure both vehicles will share the same kit. We'll have more information on these vehicles later on. For this week's product feature, we released the Pro kit for the 21 to 23 Acura TLX Type S and A-Spec front-wheel drive. The Type S is lowered by 1.4 inches in the front and 2.2 in the rear. The A-Spec, on the other hand, is lowered by 1.2 inches front and rear. These are now available on our website. If you were at the Long Beach Grand Prix last weekend like I was, chances are you probably bumped into a few of our Eibach employees. This weekend had a variety of good racing, from Porsche Cup North America, Stadium Super Trucks, Vintage F1, IMSA, and of course IndyCar. For me personally, I look forward to the IMSA race the most. I was excited to see the new LMDH cars in action, and the race was incredible this year. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.